There's a new USCIS program that's giving spouses of US citizens a path to green card. On August 19th, a program called Keeping Families Together went into effect, enabling spouses to overcome their undocumented entry into the United States. We made a full step-by-step guide on how to apply for this benefit on our YouTube channel. But this is a huge benefit because it provides a pathway towards citizenship without having to leave the United States. Here's what you need to qualify. Be present in the United States without admission or parole. Have been continuously present in the US for at least 10 years since June 17, 2014. Have a legally valid marriage to a US citizen as of June 17, 2024. Have no disqualifying criminal history or otherwise constitute a threat to national security or public safety, and merit favorable exercise of discretion. There are a ton of concerns about sharing all this information with the USCIS, because what if the program gets challenged in court, or what if my application gets denied and I'm referred to immigration court? I will only say that there has been similar programs in the past and many folks were afraid of it and then regretted missing an opportunity. So check out our full YouTube video to learn what documents you need and how to prove 10 years of continuous presence.